in by Connie from South Florida, and she said she happened to notice as she was out working on her camper here, she happened to notice what seemed like the sun flicker, and you can see the sun's up in the sky and there's no clouds. So she began recording the sun. This was from October the 5th in the morning of 2022, and you can clearly see it looks like the sun is doing some sort of pulsating in the sky. So I received Connie's video from South Florida, and then I received another video from Southwest Florida, Sanibel Island. Goes back to September 13th of 2022. And you can clearly see on this day there were no clouds in the sky, just like Connie's video, and the sun appears to be pulsating. Could be some sort of a processing anomaly. I don't know. But Connie, in the first video that I shared
Did you
with
know
guys,
the calamities of the past 2 months? Earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, extreme weather. These are warnings to the whole of humanity, from elites to ordinary people in all countries. The warnings in the past 2 months to help humanity wake up not to continue to sin. Lying, greed for wealth and lust is serving the devil. But humanity is still increasing crime and war. So in the next 6 days the sun will do something that scares the whole world. Cern has found evidence of fourth, fifth dimension. This means that there are many higher universes coexisting around us. God is real, God is true. Yes is yes, no is no. God does not like flattery and weakness. God is watching everyone's actions. If God leaves, then this world will be destroyed by evil. If those in control would just tell the truth and let go of power, they'll see sights you've never seen before. I hope you change and stop sinning. Fight the evil within yourself. You join me against the abortion law, Roe v. Wade, to save the world from destruction when evil comes. You all know right and wrong. You also know abortion is killing children from the womb. Let's inspire strong and responsible life to everyone. We need to resist tyranny and rule over people. We are against unjust oppression. We need to fight those who hurt their people while defending pedophilia, abortion, sex trade, sex. Life is not for everyone. A gift only for the one who deserves it. Share it with everyone. Thank you. You should worship and glorify only one Creator. The Creator is cosmic, who created you and all things. Cosmic has only one Creator. Ask the Creator to forgive you for the mistakes you have made against the will of the Creator. The Creator does not forsake anyone to return to the Creator. My prayers go to those who are being raped, persecuted, tortured by traffickers, those who are facing a cruel fate, those that no media outlet is talking about. I also pray for children who are being tortured in the womb, who think that their baby is an animal from the moment they are in the womb. They want to destroy it.